Hi, welcome to Sonny's the Car Wash Factory. I'm Bob Fox with CarWash College. Today I want to review air compressor maintenance. Before we start, make sure you get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com and review all the safety information related to this procedure. Next, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, which are a pair of safety goggles. Now, let's get started. Today I want to talk about air compressor maintenance. An air compressor is the single most important piece of car wash equipment that we have. There's not a whole lot we can do in our tunnels without air. So the maintenance of that air compressor is very important as well. George, walk me through the maintenance on the air compressor, if you would.
Daily, we want to check for air leaks. We want to check the tank for moisture.
Okay.
Weekly, we want to check the oil. It's very important that the oil level's good. Monthly, we want to check our air filters.
Okay.
And we want to check our belts.
I know you mentioned draining the water out of the tank.
Yeah, this particular compressor, Bob, has an automatic drain that cycles out every time the compressor turns on and off.
Okay.
Which is a little different from our traditional automatic drain that we're mostly familiar with, which is usually located on the bottom of the air compressor and it's plugged in and it has two timers. One is a repeat cycle timer and the other is a duration timer. So every 20 minutes, I'm going to drain the air for 4 seconds.
Okay.
So it'll open it up and it'll drain out. This is more of a traditional that most of us are familiar with.
Okay. Now, if we use an automatic tank drain, do we still need to manually empty the tank at night?
We want to make sure we drain the tank early in the morning. That's the best time when the compressor has cooled off and everything has drained out and settled to the bottom.
Gotcha. All right, so let's run through it one more time. Daily, what are we looking for?
We're checking for leaks and we're making sure there's no moisture in the bottom of the tank.
Got it. Weekly.
Weekly, we're checking the oil.
Oil. Monthly.
We're checking our air filters and we're checking our belts.
Okay, and I can change one belt at a time?
No, sir. We need to change 2 belts. We always change 2 belts.
Always replaces a set.
That's correct.
Gotcha. We also recommend you follow your manufacturer of your compressor's guides to their maintenance. Otherwise, you may void your warranty. At Sonny's, we don't manufacture compressors, but we do recommend you keep up with the maintenance. There you have it. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensure you're delivering a consistent wash experience that will make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.